system. There are different types of numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, real numbers, rational and irrational numbers. Natural numbers. They are denoted by n. Natural number starts from 1. So numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity comes under natural numbers. Whole numbers. They are denoted by W. 0 plus natural numbers gives us whole numbers. So whole number starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on till infinity comes under whole number. Integers. Whole number plus negative numbers gives us integers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity plus -1, -2, -3 and so on till minus infinity together forms integers. That is, integers are positive and negative numbers including 0. Integers are denoted by Z. 0 is neither positive nor negative integer. Now let's see how integers are represented on a number line. On a number line, 0 is in the middle. To the right of the 0, you have all positive integers. To the left, you have all negative integers. Rational numbers. The numbers which are in a form P upon Q, where P and Q both can be integers. Such numbers are known as rational numbers. There are two conditions for P and Q. P and Q should be integers. Second, Q cannot be 0. P is known as numerator, Q is known as denominator. Now, Q, that is denominator, can never be 0. Why? Since we cannot divide any number by 0, therefore denominator is never 0. So numbers of form P upon Q, numerator upon denominator, where numerator and denominator both can be integers, denominator is never 0. Such numbers are known as rational numbers. Example 1 upon 2, -4 upon 3 and so on. Irrational numbers. Any numbers that cannot be written in fraction are known as irrational numbers. That is, they cannot be written in P upon Q form, where P and Q both are integers. Irrational numbers are non-recurring numbers, non-terminating decimal numbers. Example √2, √3, √5 and real numbers. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational and irrational number together forms real numbers. All these numbers are known as real numbers, or we can say rational plus irrational numbers together gives us real numbers. Even and odd numbers. Any integers which are exactly divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. Last digit of even number is always 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Odd numbers. Any integers which are not divisible by 2 are known as odd numbers. Last digit of odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Prime numbers. Any numbers which are only divisible by 1 and itself are known as prime numbers. That is, that number has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Such numbers are known as prime numbers. Some examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on. Composite numbers. Any numbers which has more than 2 divisors are known as composite numbers. That is, numbers which have more than 2 factors. Example 4. 4 has factors like 1, 2, and 4 itself. So such numbers which have more than two factors are known as composite numbers.